How to delete your TikTok search history. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a simple guide on how to clear your TikTok search history directly from the application on iOS or Android. In this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So what you got to do is simply click on the search icon at the top right, and here you'll be able to see all of your recent searches. So all you need to do is simply click on this cross over here, and that's it. That would get removed from your recently searched. Now, if you wish to delete the previously searched things, what you got to do is go back, and then you got to click on your profile at the bottom right, and then you got to click on these three horizontal lines at the top right. And here you got to select settings and privacy, and here you got to click on activity center. Now, once you're in your activity center, you got to click on search history. And after that, you got to click on select and select all of those history items that you wish to delete. You can select all of these, or if you want to bulk delete, you can simply click on select all search history and click on delete all, then click on delete again. And that's it. It says no search history yet. That means your history has been deleted. So that is basically how you can delete your TikTok search history. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.